All right. Despite what I said in the past about never making cheesecake again, I am making cheesecake. I'm actually making two. And the reason I'm making two is because Ashton's boyfriend, London, had her ask me where I had bought the cheesecake that we had that day. And I was like, sweet baby Jesus. No, I made that, sir. So I am making them a cheesecake. And in the meantime, I'm getting some veggies chopped up and separated also for meal prep later on in the weekend. And so while I have one of those cheesecakes in the oven, I'm getting all this ready and separated, and I'm going to pull that out because I'm going to be making a seafood pasta. Now, this is, of course, I can't get through making a cheesecake without a big crack in the middle. Apparently, that's just how I roll. But I go to take it out. It's a little bit falling apart. I probably should have let it cool a little bit more. And getting it onto that platter was a whole fun time. But the family is pretty excited that they're going to get homemade cheesecake. And then I have strawberries to go on top. So this is me making the second one. I completely forgot to put it in the oven beforehand. Oh well, we'll just see how it goes. But so far they both seem to be doing well. This recipe is actually from Philadelphia Cheesecake recipe book.